Hey guys, what's going on? It is Common Investor here, bringing you the first video of the channel. For the first video, kind of just wanted to go through what I had in my Robinhood portfolio. As we can see, up about almost 27% here this year. Definitely a solid year, even with all the volatility. So getting right into it, the first stock I have in my portfolio is Procter Gamble. Procter Gamble is a great blue chip company. Definitely not going anywhere anytime soon. Definitely more of a safer play. Definitely a great dividend. About 3.5%. I think they just increased it or are about to increase it. So definitely a good safe bet for the portfolio. Next one I have here is Activision Blizzard. Actually just added this one here on the big recent dip on gaming stocks. Believe Activision Blizzard is going to be here for the long term, and I think this is just a little hiccup for them. So definitely think I got them on a good discount. Um, and hopefully we can see them bounce back a little bit more. Next one we have here is ADP. ADP is the largest payroll processing company in the country. Definitely here for the long term. Definitely safer play. Have them about a year now. They've been on an absolute tear for sure, even with all the volatility in the market. And they got a nice little dividend there. Next up here we have Microsoft. Microsoft, I believe, has the biggest market cap in the stock market right now, and definitely very safe. And even for a large market cap, they had a great year, all things considering, and they continue to just grow and grow. I believe Microsoft's going to be around for quite a few more years longer. Next one up here we have PayPal. PayPal, I use their app Venmo, and I think Venmo is a great spin-off from PayPal there. Up about 21% for the past year. Have had them for about a year as well, so definitely a great grower. Next one we have here is Facebook. Facebook is one that I just added to the portfolio on their recent dip. Got them just right about the bottom there at 129, and with the recent earnings call they had, they shot up. So thinking they're going to have a nice rebound year here in 2019, and going to definitely hold them for the next year or so. Next stock I have here is X. That's United States Steel. This is my speculation play solely based off of Trump's border wall. Believe that if the wall is funded, he specifically said he'd use United States Steel to build that wall. So I think that's going to be a great influx of money into this company. For the past year, they're down quite a bit. Got them pretty close to their bottom here. So really just speculating on if the wall will be built or not. If it is, I'll be up. Definitely should see bigger gains here within 2019. Next up, we have Waste Management. Waste Management is another safer play, another blue chip company. Even in recessions, it performs very well. No matter what time of year, what the stock market's doing, you're definitely always going to need your garbage taken out. So definitely a good hedge against any market downturns. Next up, I have Square. Square is a great up-and-coming company. They have been on an absolute tear this past year, up 72%. Have held them just about a year now, seen them come up all the way up to about 100, and they've taken a tumble from there, on their way back up now. So I believe Square is going to be a great long-term play, and plenty more growth to come from them. Next up, we have Tencent. It is my only Chinese holding in the portfolio. China has been hit hard. Their economy hasn't been doing the best, but I believe Tencent is here for the long term. Picked them up here in this dip. I think in the coming years, China will rebound. They're definitely one of the world's biggest economies, and they should be rebounding in the next few years or so, and Tencent will be one of the big drivers there. Last stock I have is Groupon. I actually got Groupon as a referral for referring people over to Robinhood. which I'll link in the description of the video here. So if you're thinking about getting on Robinhood, feel free to use the link in the description. If you do, you'll get a stock and I'll get a stock. And that's going to really wrap up the rest of the video here today. Look out for more videos I'll be posting about my trading strategies, what I look for in a stock, anything really about investing. I also have an M1 Finance account. I'll get into that a little later in a later video. So let me know what you thought in the comments section below. Would love to know what your portfolios are looking like and what you think of my portfolio. Thanks, guys.